Hello students, today we are going to discuss even number of years problem in the moving average method, right? Here look at the question, calculate 4 yearly moving average from the following data. Calculate 4 yearly moving average from the following data, right? Here in the previous problem we have discussed about odd number of years, and today we are going to discuss about even number of years, right? Already I said the finding of this odd number or even number ఎట్లా అనేది మీకు ఇంతకుముందే చెప్పిన. ఇక్కడ క్వశ్చన్లో 4 ఇయర్లీ కానీ 6 ఇయర్లీ ఆర్ 8 ఇయర్లీ అని ఇచ్చినప్పుడు అది ఈవెన్ అవుతుంది. అదే క్వశ్చన్లో 3 ఇయర్లీ 5 ఇయర్లీ 7 ఇయర్లీ అని ఒకవేళ చెప్తే దట్ బిలాంగ్స్ టు ద ఈవెన్ ఆడ్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ ఇయర్స్ అవుతుంది. ఇక్కడ మనం 4 ఇయర్లీ అన్నాడు కాబట్టి ఇది ఏమవుతుంది, మనకు ఈవెన్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ ఇయర్స్ అవుతుంది. ఈ ఈవెన్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ ఇయర్స్ నుండి దెన్ we have to calculate the moving average, right? Years are there from 2006 to 2015 and production, right? So ఇక్కడ ఇంతకుముందు మనం ఎట్లయితే ఆడ్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ ఇయర్స్ చేసినామో సేమ్ యాజ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ఆడ్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ ఇయర్స్ లాగానే చేయాలి, దాంతో పాటు కొద్దిగా సెంటర్డ్ చేయాలి, అది మాత్రం ఇక్కడ ఉంటుంది, రైట్? ఇక్కడ దిస్ ఇస్ ద క్వశ్చన్, దెన్ ఈ క్వశ్చన్ ఐ హ్యావ్ టు కంటిన్యూ దిస్ క్వశ్చన్ టు ద సొల్యూషన్, రైట్? ఆ క్వశ్చన్ మనకు యాక్చువల్లీ అర్థం చేసుకోవాలి, రైట్? దిస్ ఇస్ ద క్వశ్చన్. From this question we have to calculate first same odd number of years after the calculate chesamo same as it is we have to calculate here, right? 4 yearly moving total, 4 yearly moving total, right? Year 4 yearly moving total annappudu we have to take from 2006, 7, 8, 9. These are the 4 years, right? 672 plus 679 plus 690 plus 702, that is 2743. 2743 is the total of this 4 years, this 4 years value. Then where we have to show? So this 4 years, this is the mid value, this is the bit value between 2007 and 2008. So we have to show here this total value 2743 in between 2007 and 8. 2743. If it is an odd number of years, we have to show this value to a particular year. But here it is mid between these 2 years. So that is why this is called a centered average, and we have to calculate the center, right? Next, leave this first year. Coming to the 1, 2, 3, 4, right? This 4 years, 1, 2, 3, 4. This 4 years మనకు ఎంత వచ్చిందంటే we have the total sum of this 4 years value is 2783. We have to show it between 2783. Then leave this. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. Add the 802. That is 2906. 2906. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2906. Then leave this. Then come from 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Leave this, right? That is 3023. 3023. Then again total of 4 years, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have to leave the 702. Then add 809. That is 3130. 3130. This is the total of 1, 2, 3, 4 years, right? Then again we have to leave the 712. Then add 816. 816, that is 3234. 3234. This 3234 is the total of this 4 years. So we have to leave this 802. right? Then add 821, that is 30 to 53. 30 to 53 is the total of this 4 years. Then again we have to leave this year 807. Is there any another year? No. So ఇక్కడ వరకు మనం క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేయొచ్చు, రైట్? రైట్, 1 2 3 4, రైట్? Then we have to average this 4 yearly moving totals. 4 yearly moving total average. 4 yearly moving total average, right? Average of this 2743. 2743 is the total of 4 years. Total of 4 years. So we have to divide this 2743 by 4. That is 685.75. 685.75. Then 2783 divided by 4. 695.75. Then 2906 divided by 4. 726.5. 3023 divided by 4. 755.75. Then 3130 divided by 4, that is 782.5. Then 3234 divided by 4, that is 808.5. Then 3253 divided by 4, that is 813.25. This is the average. This is the average of 4 yearly moving total. Average of this. This is the total of 4 years. 4 years. So that is why we divide this total value by 4. By 4, then we get the average of the 4 yearly moving total. But this average is not. This average belongs to the. We are showing this average in between 2007 and 8. 7 and 8. We have to show this average or the values to the particular year. To the particular year. For that purpose, we have to center these averages. We have to center this average. This average is in between 7 and 8, and this average is in between 8 and 9. So if we add these two averages, then we will show this average to the mid-year of this 3. Mid-year of this 3 means 7, 8, 9. Then we can show that average of these two averages, of these two values to the 2008. So that is a particular year. So that is why we have to center. 4 yearly moving average centered. 4 yearly moving average centered. Here 685.75 plus 695.75 divided by 2, that is 690.75. This is, we have to show this average to the, this average is 7 and 8, this average belongs to 8 to 9. So if we add these two values, that is add and divide by the 2. These are the two values. We are adding two values. Then we have to divide this total by 2. We get the average is 690.75. The 690.75 is to the 2008. 690.75. Same. Then again 695.75 plus 726.5 divided by 2, 711.125. 711.125. Then again 726.5 plus 755.75 divided by 2, that is 1096. 726.5 plus 755.75 by 2, that is 741.125. Then 755.75 plus 782.5 by 2, that is 769. 769.125. 782.5 plus 808.5 by 2, that is 795.5. 795.5. Then 808.5 plus 813.25 divided by 2, that is 810.875. 810.875. Here this 690 is the trend value. 690 is the trend value to the 2008, and 711 is the trend value to the 2009, 2010, 2011, 2012 and 2013. But ఇక్కడ ఈ ఇయర్స్ మనకు ట్రెండ్ వాల్యూస్ లేవు, రైట్? దిస్ ఇస్ ద సొల్యూషన్ ఫర్ ద 4-yearly moving average, means even number of years. When the even number of years given in the question, then this is the process. It is the same as to the odd number of years, but here we have to calculate the centered average, centered moving average, centered. Why we calculate this moving average centered means here we have to show the trend value to the particular year, that is why we have to calculate this centered, right? This is a very easy solution for the moving average method. One is previous class belongs to the odd number of years, and this class belongs to the even number of years. If you practice well, then you can get full marks in the examinations, right? Thank you.